Hey guys, this is Dan, aka Saxman112, and as you can see right here, I got a package from Lockerz. You guys probably don't know what it is, but I do. So now I'm going to be unboxing it. And in case you're wondering, the thing I redeemed on Lockerz was 100 points. So that's not too bad. Get this open. Maybe I'll just do this. Sorry about this, guys. I will not be editing this out, so yeah. Just be patient. There we go. Now I think I've cut some of it. I think. There we go. Semi-decent job of cutting that. There we go. Now I can crack this bugger open. If I can. Oh wait, this still needs to be cut. There we go. After like hours of struggling in the box, I finally get it open. I can. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna get this first thing out. Alright, so this is just a little thing they give you for saying thanks for redeeming points at Lockerz, and shows all their stuff. Pretty cool. Let's see what else they give you. And this is just the receipt. And here is the product itself. Need for Speed Shift. I redeemed this from Lockerz for 100 points, and it just got delivered to me today, and I'm very excited. This is the very first thing I redeemed from Lockerz, and I just wanted to make this unboxing for you guys to show you guys that they're proof that Lockerz is real and not a scam at all. So as you can see, I just scored a free PSP game. So that's pretty freaking awesome. Thanks for watching this unboxing video of my first redemption from Lockerz, Need for Speed Shift for the PSP. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. And I hope you guys have a great day or night.